In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to play Lego Fortnite on PS5, PS4, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, PC, or any other device that supports Fortnite. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. And if you're looking for discounts on PS5 games and accessories, you can check out the links in the description below. So without any further ado, let's get started. So open Fortnite and then press the down arrow on your controller or keyboard or go down, and here you'll see the Lego Fortnite. If you don't see here, just keep on finding and you'll find the Lego Fortnite around here. And then go on that Lego Fortnite and select it by pressing X on your controller and wait for a few seconds. And here is the Lego Fortnite. So now to play, you will need to select world and etc. And after selecting world, you will be able to play it. So go on select world. To go on select world, go on your character, press X. Then you will be able to navigate to select world. Now press X on select world. Now here you can create world or you can see shared worlds. So if you go on create new world and press X, and then press X on new world slot, and then from here you can create a new world, and after creating new world press box to start, and then again press on box, and the world creating world will start it. Now here we have to wait for matchmaking and all of that, and after it's done you'll be able to play the Lego Fortnite. So this is how you can do it, and thanks for watching.